Hello everyone, welcome to Sai Ayush Hospitals, KPHB and Madinaguda, Hyderabad. So today we are here to introduce one case, that is 43 years male patient with a complaint of left upper and lower limb weakness. So there was a history of MCA infarct and ICA infarct in 1 year 4 months back. So there was a surgical history of craniotomy. So the peculiarity here, the patient developed post-paralytic spasticity, that is post-paralytic contracture. So major challenge with the cases of MCA infarct are CVA, that is cerebrovascular accidents. They face challenges in movement and mobility, so related to their limb. The reason behind the spasticity is the coordination and the supply. The major supply to the brain, blood supply to the brain is halted due to the infarct, and that affects the limb, that results in spasticity and loss of coordination. And another major challenge is speech. So here we focused on improving his quality of health in terms of improving his mobility. So major left hand flexion and extension, that is contractures, and fist, the opening of the fist and easy movement, and speech clarity, and improvement in metabolic rate and digestion, overall sleep quality. So we'll see in his own words how he is experienced before treatment and after treatment of Ayurveda customized comprehensive therapy. Hello sir. Yes sir. Sir, can you please introduce yourself and tell me some word regarding what you experience in Sai Ayush Ayurveda?
This is Rajesh. I'm 43-year-old patient. Suffered a brain stroke, severe brain stroke about 1 year 4 months back, which left me paralyzed and completely bedridden. Like the doctor told, due to post-paralytic contractures which developed over towards my left side and my left leg. I was not able to even move my left leg.
So there was a power loss and tonicity is less. Yes.
As a result, I went to various places. I visited various rehab centers. I found out that I somehow felt that there is going to be some result for my stiffness or for some. And when I approached that section on the team here, Dr. Shiva, he guided me through what exactly my problem was. He told me why this problem actually developed and what should be done in order to overcome or correct the current deformity that I am facing right now. First thing, as he told me, post contractures, it's very difficult, especially my left hand side. I was not even able to move. My left hand was always stiff here. Now, he told me that you will have to customize your treatment here. In the combination of Abhyangam, Pizhichil and Basti, in a matter of 7 days, I can say that a lot of stiffness was there in my left hand came out now.
And there was a fear of pain in your shoulder, right? So
there was a severe pain in my shoulder because of prolonged stiffness, and I was just lying down without much movement to that. As a result, there was a lot of stiffness and a mild movement in my hand, giving a lot of pain. So all these things are addressed. My pain got relief. There is no pain. I can now lift my hand to extend. There is no pain in my hand, and even the fist which was very much contracted, I'm able to open my fist.
now we can open easily. So that easy in mobility is improved.
Yes, a lot. Even I'm able to take steps confidently.
Confident. But coordination is improving.
Previously, I was very fearful because I always had a lot of doubt. If I walked here was literally I overcame that
Or,
with the words of the doctor, and they gave only 100% in trying to make me what I am now.
and another, what about speech? What difference in speech,
I was very
tone and articulation?
underconfident by speaking. I couldn't speak. There was a loss of confidence in me because it was a period of months that I was in this state. So I lost all confidence, all hopes that maybe will I ever improve. But after coming here, I got back that confidence, and no problem that to sit erect, speak loud, and speak with confidence. Definitely improve. Today, without any support, I'm able to work without anybody's help. Even in my own house, I'm able to do all my own things personally, even doing my own personal duties in my home, my regular morning duties or whatever things I'm able to do it with my own, I'm doing without anybody's support. So, and
So you got that confidence of functional independence.
I got that confidence of functional independence. I can, and even I'm having to go on my own. There, every day I used to come along with my father's support. Today I came on by myself. So that itself shows how much I improved in my, how much of confidence in me got improved in a matter of 7 days. And the customized diet chart was prepared for me. As a result, it's coordinated with the treatment, the sessions here as well as the diet and the medicines. All together giving a common, all together addressing a common
Cumulative effect.
need. This confident and person
Coordination.
who is doing all things with the coordinated movement just because
What about your sleep, sir? Before and after this Ayurveda Abhyanga, Sweda and Basti, with that pitchu on your head. So, what was the sleep quality you experienced? Improvement
previously
in
there was a very bad experience of lack of sleep during the night. I used to just get up earlier, and there used to be disturbed sleep. But after finishing my getting my Abhyanga done here, Basti and all, quality of sleep improved gradually for a period of 7 days. Today I am able to sleep up to 8 to 10 hours. Peaceful sleep, no disturbance. Even I'm getting awake in between, I'm able to quickly fall asleep again. Which previously I used to not get. But for any treatment, quality sleep is very important. And which I was lacking in my previous experience, the previous days. And after coming here, today I'm getting the best quality sleep. Instead, I'm getting up afresh. Every morning, as soon as I get up, I feel so confident. This is the most important thing in this type of cases. Losing confidence, losing hope is where patients usually go.
a patient remain functional dependence,
Yes.
right?
And patients usually we try to depend on somebody
Somebody.
for everything,
Yeah.
even for lifting, for getting up from his bed to doing his nature part, doing his duty. Today I am able to independently take bath by myself without anybody's support.
Very good.
And moving inside my home all by myself. Previously, I used to use a hand stick. Now I'm not using a hand stick. It's only the confidence that I received here that made me take independent decision and gaining that mobility independence after coming to Sai Ayurveda.
Yes.
I thank
you.
Dr. Shiva, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your
Therapists
therapist,
also,
right?
both of them. And a very cordial reception here. Were very happy to express their to address all your needs. And the ambience is the one of the best places I have ever visited in India. Convenience is very good. And even at the place of treatment also, you are given the utmost care. Many places I've seen, people are just left like that. But here I see that people are given as if they are in their own home.
Right.
So initially when I first came, I had the fear in me how it will be because I visited various centers, but
Right.
I never had that experience. But today I am going from here with lot of good experience, lot of happiness, lot
So
of
you
confidence. First thing.
okay, you developed that confidence of bounce back and
Yes, and I'm very sure that I'm sure very fast soon going to come out of this problem.
right.
And that confidence developed in me.
Very good.
That
Very good.
I can become independent very soon.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Get independence,
Sure.
independence,
Sure.
and have the confidence in their life. I strictly recommend. I have recommended many people here already, and I furthermore recommend those people like come here and get the benefit out of the center here. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. So we wish you happy and quick recovery.